should focus and talk about politics, because after the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, apparently misled the public with his all-party meeting remarks, where despite acknowledging that he would not attend, he later seems to have alleged that the government scheduled the all-party meeting in his absence. Now, soon after taking to social media platform X, he's reiterated his compromised Prime Minister jibe at the Prime Minister and the government as well. And this seems to be the development that is now taking place in this election season.
मैं तो वहाँ नहीं हूँगा क्योंकि मेरा तो केरला में प्रोग्राम है। ठीक है, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाई है, डिबेट होना चाहिए। The government called an all party meeting. They made sure that I was in Kerala when they called it. मैं तो वहाँ नहीं हूँगा क्योंकि मेरा तो केरला में प्रोग्राम है। ठीक है, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग बुलाई है, डिबेट होना चाहिए। The government called an all party meeting. They made sure that I was in Kerala when they called it.
So first demanding for an all-party meeting, when demanding for answers and debate and discussion, and when the all-party meeting happens, then he doesn't attend. Because doubling down on social media, he went on to claim that our economy has collapsed, stocks are crashing, savings have been wiped out, and according to the leader of opposition, Rahul Gandhi, what is the reason? Well, PM is compromised, Pradhan Mantri is compromised, and this is something that he has repeatedly asserted, because he's also claimed that essential supplies like cooking gas, cylinders are still unavailable hours after the government's assurances of adequate stock, and further alleged that the Prime Minister had surrendered India's future. So he has been citing, as far as the crisis that he believes that India currently is staring at, the all-time record low of the rupee versus the dollar. That's a fact. He has been saying that the stocks has been crashing, but it is not just India. Global volatility is being witnessed. Economy, he believes, has collapsed. Jobs are gone. Income falling. Savings wiped out. Cylinders unavailable. Why? Because Prime Minister equals to compromised. Now another, as far as the surrender raga, that seems to be this time the poll pitch that Rahul Gandhi seems to be taking, because he is now in a way projecting that Prime Minister equals to compromise. Narendra surrender seems to be the jibe that once again Rahul Gandhi is trying to revive in this election season, saying that the Prime Minister is desperate to protect himself and he has surrendered India's future. Well, that seems to be the stand that Rahul Gandhi, time and again, wherever he seems to be speaking, even during the election rallies, seems to be raising this issue. Now, in the meantime, let's talk about how the BJP has reacted, slamming all of this and calling them as baseless claims by Rahul Gandhi, because they have clearly warned, and this is something that the Prime Minister has often said: do not be misled and do not believe in misinformation or rumor mongering, because that adds to the panic and that adds to fear mongering.
राहुल गांधी को एलओपी लीडर ऑफ प्रोपेगेंडा इसलिए कहता हूं क्योंकि राहुल गांधी आधुनिक काल के पिनोकियो है। लाइस, प्रोपेगेंडा फैलाना इनका स्टैंडर्ड ऑपरेटिंग प्रोसीजर है। राहुल गांधी बोलते हैं कि गवर्नमेंट ने ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग वेस्ट एशिया पर तब की जब मैं अवेलेबल नहीं था। राहुल गांधी कितना झूठ बोलेंगे? जिस दिन ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग अनाउंस की गई, आपने उसी दिन कहा कि मैं तो खैर नहीं जा सकता क्योंकि मुझे केरलम जाना है। आपकी प्राथमिकता केरलम में चुनाव थे, ना कि चुनौती वेस्ट एशिया की। और उसके बाद हमने देखा कि आप अभिषेक मनु सिंघवी की पार्टी में तो गए, पर ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग में नहीं जा पाए। आपको पार्टी करना पसंद है, ऑल पार्टी मीटिंग पसंद नहीं। और कितना झूठ बोलेंगे? इकोनॉमी आगे बढ़ती है, आप बोलते इकोनॉमी डेड है। आप बोलते हैं कि किस प्रकार से कोविड की वैक्सीन खराब है, नहीं लेनी है। आप जो है सिंदूर ऑपरेशन होता है, हम लोग पाकिस्तान को धो देते हैं, आप बोलते हैं सरेंडर हो गया। आप सर्जिकल एयर स्ट्राइक और बालाकोट एयर स्ट्राइक पर खून की दलाली बोलते हैं। मतलब बीजेपी विरोध में उतरते उतरते इतना झूठ। और कांग्रेस कितना झूठ बोलेगी भाई? कांग्रेस बोलती है शिवालिक नंदा देवी नहीं है। कांग्रेस बोलती है कि देखो पाकिस्तान मीडिएट कर रहा है ईरान इजराइल के बीच में, पाकिस्तान हमसे बड़ा हो गया, आगे हो गया। कांग्रेस बोलती है कि देखिए किस प्रकार से 2011 की जो लाइन है वो 2026 में है। मतलब 2011 की पिक दिखाकर भ्रम फैलाने की कोशिश करती है, पैनिक फैलाने की कोशिश करती है। कांग्रेस बोलती है कि किस प्रकार से ईरान के साथ हमारे रिश्ते खत्म हो गए। ईरान बोलता है कि भाई स्ट्रेट ऑफ हॉर्मुज भारत के लिए खुला है। कांग्रेस बोलती है ईरान में। राहुल गांधी को एलओपी लीडर ऑफ प्रोपेगेंडा इसलिए कहता हूं क्योंकि
Well, that seems to be the hit back coming in from the BJP side, but also not to forget what is the official government stand. Because the government of India has reiterated that the measures are in place to ensure that There is gas availability for households and also for commercial purposes, and the citizens have been urged to avoid panic buying and misinformation and not to be a part of any black marketing as well, where efforts are ongoing when it comes to maintaining energy security for all, and that seems to be the priority that has been focused by the government of India currently during the West Asia crisis.